viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen. So viewers, today we are going to discuss about Binance Smart Chain wallet, and in this video we are going to discuss about how we can change the wallet name. Yes, if you want to rename your wallet name, so this video is going to very helpful for you, because sometimes you have create 10 to 20 wallets and you confused about your wallet and you need to change the name. So in this video I'm giving you complete information, so please must watch this video till end. But first of all, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallet. Before going to start my video, so please visit my YouTube channel and go to the video portion and watch my all videos of cryptocurrency wallets. Okay, so now I'm going to open my Binance Smart Chain wallet, and today we are going to rename our wallet name or account name. Going to click on unlock. Sorry, my password is wrong. Going to click on unlock. Now wallet is open front of me, you can see here, and if I'm going to click on profile area, so you can see there is almost 7 account or 6 account. So just account number is shown here, means account number 3, account number 4, account number 5, account number 6 and 7. So let's suppose you want to rename this wallet. So what will you do? This is so simple and easy. You just simple click on wallets, which wallet need to change the rename of wallet. Simple click on 3 dot, you can see here, and go to the click on rename. Now enter the wallet name. Let's suppose I'm going to write here any name, Rauf wallet, and confirm. Now going to again click on profile area, you can see here the wallet name is changed, Rauf wallet. Wallet number phone for you can write here any wallet name, it's your choice. I'm just giving to information on educational purpose, Kashif wallet. And if I'm going to check, you can see here we have changed 2 wallet name. If I'm going to click on wallet number 5, same use wallet rename, and Wajid wallet, and confirm. The last wallet name is 6 number, sorry, second last 6 number. So just we are going to click on rename, Farooq wallet. So as you can see here, we have successfully changed my all wallet name, and you can easily rename your wallets from your Binance Smart Chain main interface wallet. This is so simple and easy. If you want to change, so you can easily do this, which is I told you in this video. Okay, so if you face any problem regarding this, you can mail to me. My email address cryptowalletsinfo, and also cryptoinfo@gmail.com, and you can also comment below this video. I must read your comments and I hope I will resolve your problem. Before going to stop this video, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. If you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So let's meet with you in new video. Bye bye.